This is Diane from Scroll Trellis, and today I'm going to show you what to expect when you receive your first garden trellis from Scroll Trellis. So today I'm showing the garden trellis that we made and designed for deck posts. So it's a narrow trellis, it's only 4 inches wide, but it's 9 feet tall. This 9 foot tall trellis ships in about a 7-inch wide package. The trellis arrives shrink wrapped. Remove the shrink wrapping, then carefully remove the label. It says here, open here and be careful. That's because the instructions and images on how to install the trellis are written on the back of the label. So let's see what's included in the kit. First, there's 3 brackets, one for the top, middle, and bottom of the lattice trellis. The brackets are 2 inches wide. The reason for that is to provide an offset from between the trellis and the surface that you're mounting it to, so that your plants receive plenty of healthy air and sunshine. The brackets are cedar and they're pre-drilled. We also include zinc-plated self-drilling screws. They're self-drilling, which means they don't require a pilot hole, and basically all you have to do is push with your power drill and it'll drill right in. And then we also include these nylon fasteners. And the fasteners hold the lattice against the bracket. It just keeps it from slipping. So this is the trellis. As I said, it's very narrow. The lattice is made of HDPE, so it's UV treated. It won't fade. It won't heat up and burn your plants. And because it's mounted to a surface, it won't fall over in sandy soil. So you're ready. Let's get those flowers grown on our deck posts. Bye.